Okay, so here we start our quiz, and this is a general quiz related to your syllabus from class 9th maths. Okay, so here is our first question for Sonal. Sonal, read out the question. What the question is: a collection of two or more possible outcomes of an experiment. It is called elementary element. Oh, sorry, an elementary event or compound event. Two options you are having. Collection of two or more possible outcomes of an experiment. It is called elementary event or compound event. Sonal. Compound event. Okay, so your answer is compound event. Yes, this is correct one. Yes, Namishka. Next question is for you. Next question is, possibility of an impossible event is, it is 0 or it is 1?
Ma'am, 1.
Now the question again.
Ma'am, impossible event. Ma'am, 0 0. Ma'am, 0 0.
Carefully, you can also pass out your answer question. Read it out carefully. That possibility of an impossible
Ma'am,
event
0.
is 0. Okay, confirm it is 0.
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, so we will check. Yes, it is 0. Yes, Ashi. Ashi, are you there? You are not visible. Ashi, next question is for you. Next question is, dash is that value of the observation which occurs most frequently. It is mode or median? Ashi, it is mode or median?
Mode.
Confirm, or you want to pass the question?
No.
It is confirmed? Okay, so we will check. Yes, your answer is, it is mode. Okay, yes, Vedansh. Next question is for you. So it depends on your luck. What is the next question? Just we will check. Okay, here is the question. A person is asked to collect information about the percentage of students passed during the last 5 years in class 10th examination of CBSE. The data so collected is known as, read out the question carefully. If he is collecting the data of the class 10th examination for last 5 years of CBSE, it is called as primary data or secondary data. Vedansh. Two options you are having, primary data or secondary data.
मैम प्राइमरी होगा.
Why? You have to give the clearance, also explanation that why it is known as primary data.
मैम क्योंकि मैम क्योंकि प्राइमरी डेटा मैम वो होता है मैम जिसमें मैम सर्वेस भी करते हैं मैम. जैसे मैम कोई भी मैम ऐसे मैम अगर मैम हमें ये निकालना है कि इतने मेल रहते हैं इसमें, तो मैम हम सर्वे कर रहे हैं मैम, वो भी मैम एक प्राइमरी डेटा होगा.
Okay, so it means that you are not having the correct definition for primary and secondary data. The correct answer is, it is secondary data. Why it is? Because he is not collecting the information by his own. He is taking help of CBSE sites. Okay, so it is a secondary data. Okay, next question is for you, Tripti. Tripti is also there. Just turn on your camera. Next question is for you. Next question is,
camera is on.
Next question is, dash is the reason between the chord and its corresponding arc. Dash is the reason between the chord and its corresponding arc. It is segment or it is sector. बेटा ज्यादा टाइम नहीं मिलेगा आपको. We didn't get that sufficient time. Two options are there, sector or segment. Or just pass it on.
Segment.
Okay, you are saying
Segment.
is segment. Okay, we will check. Yes, your answer is correct. It is segment. Yes, again, Sonal. Sonal, next question is for you. Yes, our next question is, if the chords AB and CD of congruent circle, they are subtending equal angle at their center, then what the condition you will say that this condition is correct? Both chords are equal or chord AB is greater than CD. Which one is the correct one, Sonal? I'm repeating the question or you just pass it on? If the chords AB and CD of congruent circles subtend equal angle at their center, then AB is equals to CD or AB is greater than CD?
Option A.
Option A you are saying. Okay, we will check it. So yes, option A is correct one. Yes, Namishka, next question is for you. Namishka, next question is for you. So our next question is, the graph of x is equals to 3 is a line. It is parallel to x axis at a distance of 3 units from origin, or it is parallel to y axis at a distance of 3 units from origin. Namishka. Reply fast, beta, otherwise pass it on.
Ma'am, parallel to y-axis.
Means we are saying option B. Option A or option B?
Yes.
Option B. Okay. So let us check what our answer is. Okay, correct. Our answer is it is parallel to y-axis. Okay, good. Yes. Next question is for Anshi. Yes, Anshi, where she is. Okay, Anshi, next question is for you. And next question is, a rhombus can be a parallelogram or a square. From these two, which is the correct one? Which option is the correct one?
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
Okay, you are saying a rhombus can be a parallelogram. Okay, so this is answer for you only. You have replied your answer.
Square.
I am just passing this question to Vedansh. Yes, where Vedansh is? I'm just passing this question to Vedansh. She has given her
Yes,
answer.
ma'am.
Passing it on to you that a rhombus can be a parallelogram or it can be a square. From these two, which option is the correct one? Ashi is saying that it is a parallelogram. I want your answer.
Ma'am, parallelogram.
Okay, it can be a parallelogram. Can you explain why it can be a parallelogram? Is in your luck this time? Yes, Vedansh. Next question is, if ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD and AD is equals to BC, then what you can say? That both angles are equal or angle A is greater than angle B? Vedansh.
Ma'am, kya?
The question is there for you on the screen. Question is, if ABCD is a trapezium, okay, in which two sides are parallel, that is AB is parallel to CD, then other thing is AD is equals to BC, then what you can say? That both angles are equal or angle A is greater than angle B? Which option is correct one from these two?
AB is AB trapezium है, ठीक है?
Okay, I will draw the diagram for you if you are getting confused. A, B, C, D. These two are the parallel sides and these two are the equal ones. AD is equals to BC. Then what you can say? Angle A is equals to angle B or angle A is greater than angle B? Or you just want to pass the question to Tripti?
Ma'am, A.
A means you are saying that both angles are equal. Okay, let us check your answer. Yes, both angles are equal. Your answer is correct. Yes, Tripti, next question is for you. Tripti, our question is the product of, product, you know the meaning of product means the multiplication of. So the question is the product of rational number and an irrational number is, it is a rational or irrational? Tripti, just turn on your camera. So it is rational or irrational?
Ma'am, irrational.
Okay, so you are saying it is irrational. So let us check your answer. Yes, it is irrational because we are multiplying it, and in multiplication we are having that irrational number. So the product is irrational always. Okay, good, Tripti. Yes, next question is again for Sonal. Yes, Sonal, next question is for you. And our next question is root 2. We are having a polynomial root 2. What is the degree of this polynomial? It is 0 or it is half? Root 2, it is a polynomial. What is the degree of this polynomial? 0 or half? Sonal.
Ma'am, half.
It is half. Okay, can you explain why it is half?
Ma'am, when we remove the root, the degree is half.
Okay, okay. Yes, Namishka, can you explain, beta, why it is half or why it is not half? The question is there, root 2 is the polynomial of degree. What is the answer, 0 or half?
Can I?
Namishka,
Ma'am, because of the root. Ma'am, if we solve root, then the answer will be 2 raised to the power half.
okay, you are saying it is half. Yes, Tripti, you want to say anything for this question?
2, ma'am, the value of root 2 will be exactly equal to the half of 2. That's why it is raised to the power half.
Okay. Yes, Vedansh, can you want to say something about this? That what is the degree of this root 2? Vedansh, you want to say something about it? What is the degree of this polynomial?
0.
Why, beta? Can you explain it? That why it is 0? Or just आप तुक्का मार रहे हैं?
मैम तुक्का नहीं मार रहा हूँ मैम, क्योंकि मैम
0 होगी मैम, क्योंकि
मैम
कोई मैम वो नहीं है.
जब मैम 2 होती है मैम, उसकी वैल्यू मैम 1 होगी.
Yes.
मैम if we will multiply मैम root 2 by root 2, मैम it will become 2, and मैम 2 की वैल्यू तो मैम 1 ही है.
Okay, who left? Yes, Ashik, can you want to explain it? That why degree is 0? Vedansh is saying that degree is 0. Yes, I'm saying yes. Correct answer. Degree is 0. Yes, Ashik, you want to explain that why degree is 0? Okay, you don't want to explain, then it's okay. Okay, I will explain it to you. Why degree is 0? Because root 2 is a constant polynomial. It is a constant polynomial, and for constant polynomial, degree is always 0. Okay, you are getting that point? It is a constant polynomial. Option की वजह से आपको confuse नहीं होना. It is a constant polynomial. That's why degree is 0. Yes. Next question. This question is for किसके लिए था ये question? For Sonal. This question is for Sonal. Okay. Yes, Namishka. Next question is for you. Yes, Namishka. The question is degree of 0 polynomial. I'm saying you have to tell what is the degree of 0 polynomial. It is 0 or we cannot define it. But which option is the correct one?
Ma'am, 0.
Yes, Namishka is saying that
Ma'am, A.
it is 0. Okay. Yes, I am again.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes.
May I tell?
Okay.
Ma'am, not defined, ma'am.
Okay, Vedansh is saying not defined. So just Vedansh explain why it is not defined.
मैम एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकता मैम. मैम मेरे को बस इतना पता है मैम. ये मैम मेरे को पहले
For 0.
मैम इसकी मैम वैल्यू मैम -1 होती है. मैम -1 होती है.
Okay, okay.
इतना पता है.
It is a 0 polynomial. 0 is a 0 polynomial, and degree of 0 you cannot define. Okay, so the correct answer is It is not defined. Okay, next question is for Ashi. Yes, Ashi, next question is for you. Next question is, what are the three basic steps when we are going from solid to point? Okay, from solid, when we are going to a particular point, what are the three basic steps? Option A, solid surfaces, lines and points. And option B, solid lines, surfaces and points. From these two options, which is the correct one? Ashi.
Answer A.
Answer A. So what you are saying, that answer is correct one. Okay, so we will check. Yes, answer A is correct one. Because from solid we are getting surfaces, then lines and points. From point we are starting, then lines, then surfaces, and then solid. So option A is the correct one. Okay. Yes, Vedansh. Next question is for you. Vedansh. Let us see what is the next question. Okay, so our next question is, sum of all interior angles of a hexagon is, it is 720 or it is 540? Vedansh. Sum of all interior angles of a hexagon is, it is 720 or it is 540? It is very easier question that you have studied in the previous class also. Or you just want to pass it on to Tripti?
मैम नहीं मैम,
Okay, you want to
मैम
solve,
बता रहा हूँ मैम.
but not so much time you can take, not so much time.
मैम किस हेक्सागन के ना?
Yes. Just try to speak in English also a little bit. Okay. Yes, sum of all interior angles of a hexagon is? It is? Okay,
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, I'm just transferring this question to Tripti. Yes, Tripti, what is the sum of all interior angles of a? Yes?
720.
It is 720.
720.
Okay, let us check it. Okay, so the correct answer is
सही है मैम.
720. Yes, Tripti. Can you tell how many
Yes,
sides are there in hexagon?
Ma'am, 7.
7. So
No,
what is
no.
the formula? 7 minus 1 into 180. Correct. Like that you can find it out. Okay. Yes. Next question. Next question is for Tripti. Yes, Tripti. Next question is, in a right angle triangle, we are having a right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is the dash side. It is the shortest or it is the largest?
E, largest.
Okay, it is the largest side. Okay, Vedansh, can you explain? She is correct or not? Vedansh.
Correct.
Okay, correct. Okay, let us check our answer.
मैम
Yes.
करेक्ट है.
Okay, yes, it is the largest side. Yes, Sonal. Next question is for you, beta. Sonal. Yes, Sonal. Our next question is, if the altitude of a triangle are equal, altitudes, we are talking about altitudes. If the altitudes of a triangle are equal, then the triangle is, it is equilateral triangle or it is isosceles triangle. If all the altitudes are equal, then it is an equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle. Sonal. Yes, do it fast, beta. So much of time you can't take, na? Or just pass
मैम
it
may
on.
I?
No. Just Sonal, just pass it on, Sonal. If
Ma'am,
you,
equilateral.
it is equilateral. Okay,
Ma'am,
let us.
equilateral.
Okay, let us check our answer. Yes, correct. Correct, Sonal. The answer is, it is an equilateral triangle. Yes, Namishka. Next question is for you, beta. Namishka. Next question is for you. Let us see what is our next question. Yes, the smallest angle of triangle ABC is B. In a triangle ABC, B is the smallest angle. Then which side is the shortest? AC or AB?
Ma'am, AC. Ma'am, AC.
Yes, you are saying option A. Okay, let us check our answer. Yes, correct. It is option A. AC is the shortest one. Correct. Okay, Ashi. Ashi, next question is for you. Yes, Ashi, next question is. Okay, so our next question is, in which quadrant does -1 and 2 lie? You have to give the answer, no option is there. No option is there, just you have to give the answer, in which quadrant does -1 and 2 lie? Okay, this question is for you all. For you all, those are participating. Any one of you can give the answer that in which quadrant does -1 and 2 lie?
And may I?
Anyone? Yes,
Second
Namishka?
quadrant.
Second quadrant.
Okay,
Second
okay,
quadrant.
correct. Only one will
Ma'am,
say.
second quadrant.
Yes, second quadrant. No one else. Okay. Yes, Ashi, so it is second quadrant. Yes, Vedansh. Next question is for you, Vedansh. Answer is second quadrant. Yes, Vedansh. Next question is for you. Next question is, okay, any one of you, this here we are not having the option, so any 5, Sonal, Namishka, Ashi, Vedansh, Tripti, any one of you can give the answer for this question. Our question is, if a cuboid has length L, breadth B and height H, then the diagonal of a cuboid is, what is the formula for finding the diagonal when we are having L, B and H? Any one of you? It is a solid shape cuboid and you want to find the diagonal, and LBH, all three terms are known to you.
मैम हाइट,
LB and H.
मैम डायगोनल,
Diagonal, yes.
मैम डायगोनल का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू मैम लेंथ का स्क्वायर प्लस विड्थ का स्क्वायर.
Ma'am, Pythagoras theorem. Ma'am, length square plus breadth square plus height square under root.
Yes.
Ma'am, using
Vedansh is also correct and you are also correct. Diagonal square is equals to square of all these three. Okay, so diagonal, how can we find it out? It is the square of L square plus B square and H square. Yes, again, next question is for you all.
H square.
Question is, if a sphere has radius R, then volume of a sphere is? What is the volume for this sphere?
4 pi r. 4/3 pi r cube.
Yes, it is 4/3 pi r cube. Okay. Yes, I think this is the last question. Area of a equilateral triangle of side A is? For equilateral triangle side is A. How can you find it out, Namishka? How can you find it out the area?
4a square.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
area, ma'am.
Any one of you? Just say it clearly, I'm not getting.
Ma'am,
Yes.
under root 3/4 a square.
Yes, this one is the correct one. Root 3/4 a square. Yes, next question. This is the last question. What is the equation for y-axis?
Y equals to 0.
Yes, it is x is equals to 0. Okay, so this is all related to our today's quiz. I hope you all enjoyed our quiz. Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss next of the things. Till then, thank you.